My name is Joseph Deters, and I'm a justice on the Ohio Supreme Court. When I was a little boy, growing up in Cincinnati, my grandfather was the sheriff of Hamilton County for 24 years, and I just became enamored with what he had done with his life. His commitment to public service really affected me. My dad would tell me all the time, I don't care if you practice law or not, but lawyers run this place. So I pretty much pointed my entire academic career towards going into law school. When I was just getting out of law school, there was a horrible murder case in Cincinnati. A guy by the name of Monty Tewksbury. He was working at nights at a little convenience store. A defendant took a hunting knife and just rammed it into his side for no reason, just to kill him. Because I was just out of law school, I wasn't anywhere near the trial, but my job was to get Sharon Tewksbury, Monty's wife, to each courtroom when she had to testify. That changed my life and professional career because about 10 years later, I was prosecutor. I do bring a unique perspective to the court that probably hasn't been there for quite some time. I am all for saving the savable because people make mistakes all the time. Now, that's one side. The other side is there are violent people that you got to deal with differently.
All rise.
I give great deference to jury verdicts. Sometimes when you're reading cases and you read transcripts, you don't get the real flavor for what a witness, how they come across in terms of demeanor and honesty and things like that. And you don't get a feeling for the environment of that courtroom. When you have a child rape case and you see the demeanor of that child testifying, it is much different than reading it in a transcript. I've stayed active in Cincinnati. I was on the Leukemia Society board, ran 2 marathons for them to raise money, which I'll never do again, thank you. My kids have gone to Xavier University, and we're just starting a thing now that I'm an associate justice that I can deal with the kids down at Xavier that want to go to law school and talk to them and give them some insight, and they can either listen to me or not. I play really bad golf, but I like doing that, and now I've got my wife hooked into golf, so it's fun, and she's getting pretty good, so I gotta watch it. And I have 2 new grandchildren, my first grandchildren, which are exciting. And I know it's cliche, but it's so nice to play with them and then be able to leave and let the parents deal with the mess. So it's been good.